This is the tutorial for the Ash Grove. The Ash Grove has 3 different parts: a soprano 1 part, a soprano 2 part, and an alto part. You can pick which part you would like to focus on, but after you learn one, I would like you to learn at least one other so that we have options with our ballads. So the more parts that everybody knows, the more options we'll have as an ensemble. There is an A section and a B section to this piece. So we have the A section, which is the beginning to this repeat sign, and we have the B section, which is the ending part. The form of this piece is going to be A, B, A. So you're going to start at the beginning and play to the repeat sign, and then go back to the beginning and play through the repeat sign. After you go through the second time, you play all the way to the end, and then this means that you go back up to the beginning and then do the beginning half again, and when then you get to the fine, you stop. So we have A, B, and then A again. There are F sharps in this piece. You can see in the key signature, and then above the note I included an F sharp. There's also a C sharp in the alto part, so be very careful about that one. That one is tricky. There's a C sharp at the soprano part down here as well. So those C sharps will get you. So I'd make sure that you highlight them. I also want you to pay close attention to the articulation. There are some slurs throughout the piece. So when 2 notes are slurred together, that means you do not tongue the second note. There's also a tie in the alto part, which means those notes are connected. So instead of that dotted half note just being 3 beats, it's actually 4 because it's connected to that quarter note. I also want to point out that there is a pickup at the beginning, and that note is going to be played each time we repeat back up to the top. Here is the Ash Grove soprano 1 part. Here is the Ash Grove soprano 2 part. Here is the Ash Grove alto part. This is a video mashup of me playing the Ash Grove on all 3 parts. The side part is the soprano 1 part. The top right is the soprano 2 part. And this part at the bottom right is the alto part. You'll notice at the end of my clip, the very ending of the piece gets cut off, but I still think that this will be a good resource for you to hear how all 3 parts fit together.